50 million hits on YouTube on that. Somebody might even put that thing on YouTube. Somebody might even call you to see if they can have it for a show or something. Big cat.
The only damn cat in the world that wants to be brushed with a broom. Stop brushing her, see what she does.
Done. You got rid of a lot of your loose hair there anyway.